Are you in the position of trying to think of something special to do for a loved one? Why not make them a card? It's a great way to show someone you know them. Can you think of a gift that made you feel seen? Start by brainstorming what you know your loved one likes. Once you've selected the artistic focus for your card, you can look for inspiration online. Unsplash.com has a great repository of free images, as does Adobe Stock. Maybe cartoon images are more what you're looking for. Now you're ready to get your paper, fold your card, and start drawing. Now it's your turn. Who will you make a card for?